In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix Windows activation problem in Windows 10 Pro. First, in the search bar at the bottom of your screen, type Troubleshooting Settings and click on Open from the search results. This will take you to the Troubleshoot Settings page. Now, click on Recommended Troubleshooters History to check if there's any record of issues and their solutions. This can give you an idea of past problems related to activation or updates. Next, go back and click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, look for the Program Compatibility Troubleshooters and click on Run next to it. This tool checks for any compatibility issues with programs that might interfere with activations. When prompted, click on Yes to allow it to run. Let it complete the process. Now, go back to the Other Troubleshooters page and look for the option next to Windows Update. Click on Run here as well. The troubleshooters will begin detecting any problem related with your Windows activation or updates. Let it run and follow any step to suggest it to resolve the issue. If the problem persists after these steps, you might need to ensure your product key is valid or contact Microsoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.